Most of the skincare clinics are losing their leads on daily basis. The reason? They don't have proper reply system, they don't have proper follow-up team, they don't have how they book appointment system and how they can manage their customer. They don't reaching back to the customer, so that's why they're losing lots of leads. So that's why I'm here. I will show you an amazing system, fully automated system for one of my client. I just take permission from my clients. He's now automating his whole system, his whole customer in a system with the minors way, like in pipeline stages, sending follow-ups, emails via SMS. And also the main reason is that they have proper booking system, and they have chatbot as well, because they don't need receptionist right now, because this chatbot is work like a receptionist. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how we build this complete skincare clinic in this system and how we can automate the whole procedure. First of all, I will show you funnel. We have designed funnel first for clinics, then I will show you backend and automations and all stuff. So right now here you can see that's the funnel we have designed. It's loading. That's amazing looking funnel for skincare clinics. Actually, they are just booking appointments, they are just implementing things live. So that's why I just show you here. She's my client, by the way, and I just take permission to show in my portfolio. So here you can see this is amazing about us sections, and here is some testimonial from our customer. And here we have some footers and amazing thing. Let me show you a booking page, how your booking page look. Just click on a booking page and it will be loaded into booking page. It's a live system that working. She's using another booking page, but in main case right now I need to update in this booking page, but for now she's using another one. The reason is that she don't want to move all the system into here, but I will show you how I just move her system here. I just update link after this some edits, and here you can see I just put the calendar of her here, and here she can book appointment, customer can book appointment, we will send them automatic follow-ups and everything. Here we have thank you page. Yeah, you see, amazing thank you page. And now I just show you the main thing, that's the chatbot, and it works like a fully automated system. It's a totally chatbot automated system. How I can book call. I just ask chatbot how I can book call. It will be automatically reply and give me full suggestions how I can book calls. It's a totally automates. You can do automate as well for your skincare clinics. You can see they just give us a booking link and we can just go here and book appointment here. Okay, and now I just show you on a backend things, and I will go here in pipelines and opportunities. First of all, I will show you this, then I will show you other things as well. Now here you can see if someone submit a form on funnels like this form, I just show you a few seconds ago. I will show you here as well. Yes, yeah, I will show you. When someone submit a hero section form, it will be goes here in new leads. If someone qualified, they have some qualification questions. If qualified, it will be go in qualified. If not qualified, it will be go in not qualified. And here you can see appointment book. If someone book appointment, it will be go here, and how we can manage our customer in pipeline in stages, and it's a fully customizable. You can just customize it according to your requirements. And here you can see I just go here and edit this pipeline, and you can change these according to your requirements, add more stages. It's totally customizable. And now I can show you automations, how I build automations for her and how automate business, all things in a just one place, like emails, SMS and everything. Yes, right now here we have 4 automations, like someone book appointments, what we can do on a backend. I will show you. So if someone book appointment, here we can add tag appointment book. We will create an update opportunity. We will remove all other tags. Like you can see, we will update opportunity like I show you. We will add marketing pipeline and we will book stage. and then we can remove from all other workflow. We will send notification to our team members. You have new appointments. In my case, I'm sending it to her, and then we will send confirmation email here. And here you can see here is a confirmation email with time and with everything. And then we will send reminder 24 hour before the meeting, 1 hour before the meeting, and 5 minutes before the meeting, and with SMS as well. With emails and SMS we will send reminders. And in another scenario, if they cancels or if they no show, what we can do, I will show you. Here you can see that's when someone reschedule appointments or cancel appointments, we will add tag. We will say that appointment is cancelled. We will remove from all other tags. We will update opportunity into stage is cancelled, and then we will send reschedule meeting link with our booking. It's all things are automated. You don't need to do anything manual. It will be automatically placed. And right now here we just go here. If someone submit Facebook lead form or comment on your Facebook, it will be automatically reply, and also it will be pop up into your GoHighLevel into your system, and you can start nurturing them here as well. So that's how this whole system I automate for her, like booking system, form submissions, follow-ups, chatbot, everything is automated right now for her. If you're looking for to automate your skincare business or skincare clinics, you can jump us with on leadsflex.com. You can jump on here leadsflex.com and book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step. Or if you need any other help, you can just jump on it and book free consultation. And if you don't know about GoHighLevel, the link in description box below, you will get 1 month free. Then I will build this whole system free of course. Thank you so much for watching this amazing case study for one of my clients.